Hello, lovelies, and welcome to Truth Be Told with Tara. So, today we're going to be talking about Ipsy's Glam Bag, and I am glad that I'm still with Ipsy. The whole boxy Ipsy collab thing, I think sucks. So, that's my opinion. I let go of it. I'm glad that I did. Looking back, I'm saving a ton of money, and you can get this box every month for $12.99 or bag, whatever you want to call it. And you still have access to their shop, their sales, I mean, I know that Pat McGrath was like one of the last time that I ordered from the Boxy box, Pat McGrath was the curator, and I was so excited about it, and I was so let down by it. But now they have this thing where you can go in if they are somebody that they collaborate with, and you get sales on that stuff, something like that. I don't know. I haven't really ordered anything yet. I probably should, and I may in the future. But let's talk about July's glam bag. Okay, so few things. My pick is always going to be a brush. I don't know, like, I just love brushes. I always need brushes. I don't have time to clean brushes, but that is my favorite way to apply makeup. And this bad boy is a Chica Beauty eyeshadow shader brush, and I love it. It's cute, and it's sturdy, and it is, let me see, I think that it says that it's $10 MSRP. I can't see that small handwriting, or I can't see that small writing anymore. Maybe you can see it. I can't. But I think 10. For some reason, my vision has just, like, left me. Okay. Next we have Jasmine Beauty. And this is an eyebrow thing. Do you know how many of these I have? And this is why I gave up most of my boxes, is because I have so many things, and it may not necessarily be Jasmine Beauty. I'm going to open it. I wasn't going to, but now I'm curious to see if it's like the same, like, 3 that I already have in my drawer right now. Okay, it is the pink cap and the pink, yep, have it. I so have it. Tell me you don't have it. Tell me you don't have it. If you are a collector of makeup and skincare like I am. Wait, it's clear. All the ones that I have are like, they're not clear. But that's probably a good thing. I don't know. I don't mess with my brows. Like, I don't know. I just don't. Okay, now I'm sure that if I singed my eyebrows off in a barbecuing accident, then I would be about, like, doing my eyebrows. But I don't do my eyebrows. I just don't. Okay, so next we have, let's look at the bag. Look at this bag. It's so summer. But check that out. Like, that's a paracord. Like, that's something that we sell at work. Like, you can do things with that other than it being on a Ipsy bag. No, but for real, like, paracords are like kind of a big deal in some. If you know, you know. I'll just say that. Okay, so next I have Benefit, and that's what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and I'll go ahead and show you guys. Like, I'll put it on, even though it is not. Y'all know that reds are not my favorite color, but certain reds do come across better than other reds. If it's a deep red, I don't mind it. And look how cute that is. Like, that's so cute. That's just the cutest little, and that'll probably last you a good bit of time, in all honesty. Um, but yeah, again, I'm not big on red. I would love if, like, they came out. I don't know if they have it or not. Like, more brownish, tannish color. But I really do. When I put that on, I was surprised at how much I enjoyed it. And you know what? Not only can you put that on your lips, you know what else you can do? Add a dot of color. If, I mean, if you're just in the mood or whatever, like, okay. Oh, at first I thought that that was so going to go sideways, but it didn't. It did what I thought it was going to do. All right. So, bam, you got a little flush to your face. You got a little pinkish boom, especially like, I don't know, like if you can, if that you could take 3 items with you and bam, like you've got that little thing, and why not? Okay, I'm gonna shut up about that. I always overtalk. Okay, so last but not least, you have the Formula Z Glam Gasm. Now, at first, I was just like, this is gonna suck, but I absolutely love those colors. Those are so my colors. Oh, I love it whenever, like, it's so new and fresh that it just, like, it's almost creamy and yummy. Like, you can put your finger in it and, like, it, like, kind of dips down. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure if you're into makeup, you know what I'm talking about. It's so, uh, yummy. That's like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, I hope that you can see it. Um, wow. Okay. Like, it's just so soft. I don't know what else to say. I hope this is coming across as, like, I don't know, like, I feel like it's amazing, but then it's not coming across. Okay, so that's kind of cool, but that's a little green for me. I don't know about you. That's a little green for me. Okay. I don't know. It's, well, you can definitely tell that this has not been sitting around for the last, like, 2 years, which is always a good thing. I also have, like, blood lotion on my arm. So, I don't know. Can you see, like, can you see the different colors? Yeah, I just don't like that green that much. I don't know. Let's try that one. I think I forgot this one. Okay, so we're going to put it right here on top. Yeah, there we go. I mean, if you're a makeup artist, you would be able to whip up a look with that in no time. I'm not, so, for me, I have to have, like, very specific colors and very specific things. That just helps me. I don't know, like, I'm not good with green, and that kind of threw me off. Even though I have, like, hazel eyes, and depending on what color I wear, it kind of makes my eyes a little more green or a little more blue. I feel like if I knew how to get into that green and showcase it, it would make my eyes pop. That's the only thing that sucks about not being a makeup artist and loving makeup, is you see the colors and you see how amazing that they could be, and you just really don't know what to do with them. But somebody else would be able to come along and be like, whoosh, 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 whoosh. perfect. Look how much your eyes come across. I don't know. That's just my opinion. But this was a sweet box for $12.99, and I paid even less for that. I think that that's still the price range is $12.99. Every year it goes up a little more. Of course, everything is going up thanks to our economy. Um, and I don't know, like, I still appreciate that you can get these smaller boxes and these little samples, and it helps guide you to, what would be the best thing for you. Um, I know Benefit Cosmetics is pretty popular, but I don't have a lot of Benefit Cosmetics stuff. Um, and like this Formula Z or glam gasm. I don't know. Like, I still feel like you should stick to, if you can't just go to Dollar General and get it for a few dollars, and you want something more high end, don't rely on these boxes. They're not going to give you Jeffree Star or Pat McGrath or, people that, but skincare is kind of a different thing. So, I don't know. Skincare is what I'm so much more into these days. And it's because, oh, that, did you hear my kitty? I think Dad just got home and she wants out to see Dad. So yeah, like, that's why I'm loving skincare so much and not so much makeup. I feel like I have the makeup stuff figured out, and skincare, I kind of feel like I have it figured out, but like, I'm loving Clarins right now, but I'm not gonna, next video I'll show you what I just received, and I got it free. So right now I'm very much on the train of like a cheaper 12.99, 13, Macy's, Walmart, Ipsy. You can still get these bags for cheap. You don't have to spend a ton to try out new products. And that's fun. And that's what I'm still in this for. And to tell you guys the honest to God's truth of what is gonna work and what isn't. So yeah, I guess I want to end it here. There's really not much left to talk about. So love y'all. I'm gonna shut up now, and I will see you in the next.